What's going on, y'all? Sean with your SAT math skill for today, which is dividing polynomials, specifically using long division. Okay. Now, first of all, think about this, and this is the way that division typically works anyway. But we're going to apply it to polynomials. If you have a polynomial, which we call P of X, and you divide it by a binomial like X minus A, that's going to be equal to some quotient. Remember, all a quotient is the answer to a division problem. I always have to tell myself that because sometimes words like quotient and all that stuff kind of are a little confusing to me. So it's some quotient plus a remainder divided by X minus A. And if you think about it, this is the way that division typically works anyway. So say that you have the following polynomial, 4x cubed rather, minus 5x squared plus 12x minus 8, and you want to divide that by x minus 3. Okay? Now, what you want to do is you start with asking yourself, how many times does this first x term go into this first term right here of the polynomial? X goes into 4x cubed, 4x squared times. In other words, if you multiply x times 4x squared, you get 4x cubed. X times 4x squared is 4x cubed. Then negative 3 times negative 3 times 4x squared is going to be a negative 12x squared. Now, being careful because when I recorded this video before, I made a mistake there. So anyhow, now remember you're subtracting these from this up here. 4x cubed minus 4x cubed gives you 0. Negative 5x squared minus negative 12x squared is the same as negative 5x squared plus 12x squared, which is going to be 7x squared, okay? Now bring this down. How many times does x go into 7x squared? It goes in plus 7x times. X times 7x is 7x squared. Negative 3 times 7x is negative 21x. Okay? All right, 7x squared minus 7x squared is just 0. 12 minus negative 21x is the same as 12 plus 21x, which is 33x. All right, now you bring this final piece down, minus 8. All right, x goes into 33x a positive 33 times. And then you have x times 33 is 33x. Then you have negative 3 times 33 is a negative 99. Okay, these cancel. Negative 8 minus negative 99 is negative 8 plus 99, which is just going to be 91. Okay, so the final answer is going to be 4x squared plus 7x plus 33 plus your remainder over your divisor, I believe is what you call it, divisor. Okay. All right. Let's do another example. If you need this, in our modern day, you can just rewind the video. All right, so let's say, let us do, what example? Okay, I want to do x minus 3 into 6x cubed plus x squared minus 47x minus 30, okay? X goes into 6x cubed, 6x squared times the 6x cubed, and then negative 3 times 6x squared is negative 18x squared. These cancel. And then x squared minus negative 18x squared is x squared plus 18x squared, which is 19x squared. Then we're going to bring down minus 47x. Okay. X goes into 19x squared plus 19x times. X times 19x is 19x squared. Negative 3 times 19x is negative 57x. Let me make sure. Yeah, negative 57x. Remember, we're subtracting. These go away. Negative 47x minus negative 57x, which is negative 47x plus 57x is going to be 10x. Bring down to minus 30. X goes into 10x a positive 10 times. X times 10 is 10x. And then you have negative 3 times 10 is negative 30. These cancel. Negative 30 minus negative 30 is negative 30 plus 30, which is just 0. So there's no remainder here. So your final answer is what's up top? 6x squared plus 19x plus 10. Okay? All right. Well, good, good. So this is how the long division works. I don't see it much on the SAT, but I do see it some. So it's a good idea to have that skill in your back pocket, okay? Make sure you stay tuned, subscribe for more SAT math tips, and you see down here how to join my class if you want to get in our actual SAT math practice class, okay? We do verbal help in there as well.